Hey guys, I got a question for y'all today. Have you ever looked at your cat and wondered, are they really happy here? Am I really doing the things that provide them a good life? I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Sometimes I look at my cats and I feel guilty. I feel like I'm keeping these cats in a prison, away from their freedom. Sometimes I think about how I could give them their freedom. Then I remind myself of the realities for them. A cat's plight in the world is a terrible one. The majority of cats that end up in the shelter are put to death. And the majority of cats end up in the shelter. This is the leading cause of death amongst cats in the United States. So them finding their way to a loving home is the biggest win that they could possibly have. But as pet parents, we want the best for our cats. We want to make sure that they're happy. So today I present to you the 5 things that cats love the most. You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. Hey, what about what I love the most? Boy, do I love me some crab legs. And cats love some boxes. In the wild, being out in open spaces means that cats are exposed to larger predators. That's why they like small, confined places to hide in. It makes them feel safe and is part of their instinct. Inside of cardboard boxes, cats feel like they can't be reached from the sides or from behind. It's sort of like them having a personal den or a cave in the wild. Being in an enclosed space is a stress relief for them. A box also aids in covert tactics. While being in a box protects the cat from being crept up from behind, it also allows them to do that very thing to its prey. It gives the cat the ability to quickly jump out and attack anything that catches its attention. Boxes are one of the things that cats love the most. Some of you know I used to breed dogs. Dogs are a passion of mine. I love dogs. Cats really love to hunt. Every cat gets the urge to hunt. It's been a feline's job since ancient times. They're no longer chasing animals across the plains these days. Unless you have mice in your house, which is a topic for another day. Of course, if your cat goes outside, you might get a surprise every now and then. Sometimes cat owners get irritated or even fuss at their cat when they find out they have caught a bird or some other type of animal. Of course, this doesn't make any sense because the cat doesn't know what in the world you're talking about, and all that ain't gonna stop them from doing it anyway. A pet cat that goes outside will catch animals that catch their attention for fun. not necessarily because they're hungry. Just make sure that their environment is safe, and don't let them eat any of these animals. You don't know if they've been poisoned or carry disease. And of course, if your cat lives indoors, you will need to simulate this with toys. After all, this is one of the things that cats love the most. I love me some Remy. Do you think cats love to scratch? To cats, scratching is like exercise. It also strengthens their muscles and relieves their stress. It's really just fun for them. But they also use it to refresh their nails and to mark their territory. This is 100% necessary for your cat and should never be repressed. But of course, this scratching business can become a problem at home if it isn't managed properly. So placing scratching posts around the house at your cat's favorite scratching spots is essential, along with making the areas that you don't want them to scratch unappealing and keeping their nails trimmed and manageable. I love my Washington sports teams, the Washington Nationals, the Washington Wizards, and the Washington Commanders. I know I need to update it, but I paid money for that hat. Boy, do they love to sleep. Cats can sleep 15 to 16 hours a day. They are nocturnal creatures. They store up their energy during the day so they can hunt at night. Even if in your home, they only hunt each other. If your cat is still a kitten, or if you have a senior cat, they can even sleep up to 20 hours a day. Cats have their favorite places to sleep, just like we do. Making sure that your cat has multiple cozy places to choose from makes them feel at home and is a great way to help them enjoy one of the things that they love the most, sleep. Guys, you know I love my cats. But the thing your cat loves most of all is you. Cats are depicted as independent or solitary animals. But if you have been a good cat parent and take good care of your cat, one of the things your kitty loves the most is you. There was a study done that proved cats prefer social interaction with people even over food. This study included both pet cats and shelter cats who were given a choice between food, toys, and social interaction with humans. While researchers noted variation among cats, the majority of these cats prefer to interact with people over anything else. Another thing that's important to recognize is that cats express their love and affection differently than dogs. Some of these ways include purring, head-butting, sleeping on or near you, and showing you their butt. Oh yeah, and don't forget the slow blink. Now, always remember to treat your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, But now, all they have is you. Treat them like family. Peace and head grease.